When does a court have original versus appellate jurisdiction? Imagine you're involved in a legal dispute and wondering where your case will be heard first. Will it start in a court that has the authority to hear the case initially, or will it be reviewed after a decision has been made elsewhere? Understanding the difference between original and appellate jurisdiction is essential for grasping how the judicial system functions. Original jurisdiction refers to the authority of a court to hear a case for the very first time. This means that the court has the power to examine the facts, hear testimonies, and decide on the merits of the case. Courts with original jurisdiction are typically trial courts, such as district courts in the federal system or circuit courts in some states. These courts handle a wide range of cases, including civil disputes, criminal prosecutions, and cases involving federal laws or constitutional issues. For example, cases involving disputes over land ownership or criminal charges are usually initiated in courts with original jurisdiction. Appellate jurisdiction, on the other hand, involves the authority of a court to review and possibly revise the decisions made by lower courts. These courts do not conduct new trials or hear new evidence. Instead, they evaluate whether the law was applied correctly in the original trial. Courts with appellate jurisdiction include courts of appeals and Supreme Courts at both the state and federal levels. They focus on legal issues rather than factual disputes. For instance, if a party believes that a trial court made a legal error during a trial, they can appeal to a higher court with appellate jurisdiction. The determination of whether a court has original or appellate jurisdiction depends on the type of case and the specific laws governing the courts. Certain cases, such as those involving disputes between states or cases involving ambassadors, automatically fall under the original jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. Most other cases start in trial courts with original jurisdiction and may be appealed to higher courts with appellate jurisdiction if one of the parties is dissatisfied with the outcome. In summary, courts with original jurisdiction are the starting point for many legal disputes, handling the initial presentation of evidence and facts. Courts with appellate jurisdiction review those initial decisions to ensure the law was correctly applied. Recognizing the distinction helps clarify how cases progress through the judicial system and where legal issues are ultimately resolved.